Hello everyone, and this is Edmond with Darosh Channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix single or double hotkey not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So ito yung tinatawag na hotkey mga kaibigan dito sa ating Windows. So it's not working. Kung paano ba natin ito aayusin? Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu. So right click lang tayo and then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung time and language. Click mo lang yan. Then dito sa time and language, select mo lang tong language and region. So dito sa language and region ay kailangan mo lang select yung language na naka-install dito. So mayroon tayong dalawang language dito na United States and Philippines in English. So dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dots. Click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang tong language options. So dito sa language options, so scroll down at select mo lang tong keyboard. So dito sa keyboard ay kailangan mo lang i-remove yung naka-install dito ng another keyboard. So meron tayo dito dalawang keyboard na naka-install, ang US and then yung Canadian. So kailangan mo lang i-remain itong US. So wag mo itong i-remove. So ang i-remove lang natin dito ay itong Canadian standard keyboard. So click mo itong tatlong dot and then click mo lang yung remove. And then next, kailangan mo lang mag-restart ng ating PC. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin ayusin ang single or double hotkey not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.